Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Mazda 3. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a 3 that's poised to put the fun back into your daily drive. From its refined upscale cabin to its responsive acceleration to its captivating contours to its stable, well-balanced feel, this compact is all about pleasure and excitement. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, premium sound system, remote engine start, Bluetooth connection. Feel the joy of the road in this beautifully engineered 3. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.